Zaanse Schans is a unique village in the neighbourhood of Zaandam, Netherlands. It is around 20 minutes drive from Amsterdam. It is best known for its collection of windmills, wooden houses, barns and workshops. From 1961 to 1974, old buildings from all over the region known as the Zaanse Street were relocated to the Zaanse Schans. Two of the windmills here are preserved in their original site where they were first constructed. It has developed into an international tourist destination with several million visitors every year. Here is one of the largest and most beautiful clog collections in the Netherlands. You will see the most beautiful examples: painted, carved, ice clogs, with iron fittings, horse clogs, art, clogs and clogs from many countries. Both the Clog Factory and the small but impressive Clog Museum are free of charge. Give the clog maker a block of wood and chisel, blink your eyes and voila, a clog. Every day you can watch how this footwear of farmers, workers and the people is made. The cat was built in 1664 and still manufactures high-quality paint and pigments today. These are supplied to artists and restorers all over the world. In addition to paint, chalk, pigments and oils are made in the mill. Windmill the houseman has stood on top of the spice warehouse since 1955. There are 3 pairs of millstones that grind tropical products in a corner of the warehouse. The delicious smell of freshly ground spices hangs everywhere. If all houses are made of wood, a sawmill should not be missing. The Gekru is a Poltrop mill, 200 of which once stood in the Zaanse region. Poltrop mills have an open workflow on 3 sides and often a dark, tarred mill body. When cranking, the entire mill is rotated over a so-called roller ring. In the cheese dairy, the cheese makers, in traditional costume, explain the different types of cheese. Demonstrations are given daily in 10 different languages, showing you all the production steps of cheese making. Of course, you can taste all those delicious types of cheese and buy them in the farm shop. Every Saturday and Sunday, the windmill hopper makes a boat trip in an open sloop along the windmills of the Zaanse Schans with a local guide. During this informative cruise you will receive an explanation about the history of these unique windmills in the Zaanse region. The Zaanse Museum is a cultural history museum opened in 1998 and displays cultural, historical and regional collections about the residential and industrial culture of the Zaanse region. The collection is very diverse and presented in a contemporary way. From utensils, clothing and paintings to factory materials from the food industry. In 2001, the museum received a mention in the annual European Museum of the Year award. The Verkade Experience is located in the middle of the Zaanse Museum, an experience for young and old. Here you imagine yourself in an early 20th century chocolate and biscuit factory, where the original machines are still running and the history of Verkade comes to life.